Okay, last lesson we learned the for loop that we can declare a new variable, declare what we want to, um, you know, see what statement we want to get up to, and then increment. And while this is true, well, while this middle one is true, we want to display this. And what you did, it gave us hello and goodbye 5 times in a row. So now let's go on to a new loop. This one's going to be called the if statement. What this does is that if this is true, then do this. So let's do that. So let's put if. Oh, and for this, we have to declare the variable before the expression, unlike for. I think for statements is the only one that can do that. I'm not sure. So let's do int melon equals 10. Let's do if melon is greater than 11. Actually, let's do 10. I mean 9. If melon is greater than 9. Now for this, it's the same thing as the for loop. You could do, if it's only a one-line statement, then you just do enter, then indent. Or if it's multi-line, then you do these things. But for this, we'll just put one line, count tasty. So let's save as if statement.cpp. And as you can see, because this is greater than 9, it displays tasty. But let's see if what happens if it goes false. Let's put 11. Compile and run. As you can see, nothing shows up because this is false. But now, what if you want something to show up in case this is false? Well, you do an else statement saying if this doesn't happen, then do this instead. So we'll do else count ew it's sour. Yeah, we'll do that. So let's save this and compile and run. And as you can see, else statement is in effect saying ew it's sour. One more thing, change this up here to the if statement and do it also with the for loop. I forgot to do it, sorry. Statement. As you just put if else. But what if also you want to do, okay, what if, okay, since else happens, I also want to make another decision. So we can also do this. We can put else if melon is greater than 9. You want to also put this because it's another if statement. But if you do an else if, then you also have to do another one last else when you're done. Count I prefer cucumbers. And now let's save, compile, and run. And as you can see, it still says, ew, it's sour. This is because this is false, so it goes to this one. And this is true, so it displays this. So let's see what happens if it's also 15. And if you can predict the future, then you would know that it would go to the else, because this is false and this is false. So let's go over this before it ends. We have to declare a variable and if statement. So you say if this is true, display this, or else if this is true, display this, or else display this. So it's pretty useful. There's also another statement like this, which I will go over soon, but you will have to know this for now, until later. Alright, so that's it. And I also have a cool new, I don't think it's cool, but it's an okay opening. But you should do it. It's fun. Alright, bye.